Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best vacuum cleaners that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. Meet the Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, an affordable and powerful cleaning solution designed for carpets, stairs, and hard floors. Priced at around $121.49, it offers excellent value with strong suction, HEPA filtration, and versatile lift-away cleaning performance. This vacuum features Shark's signature lift-away design, allowing you to detach the pod for easy portable cleaning on stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces. It includes a HEPA filter with anti-allergen complete seal technology, helping trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum. The swivel steering makes it easy to move around furniture in corners. It works great on carpets, bare floors, and upholstery, and comes with a wide upholstery tool plus a crevice tool for extra cleaning flexibility. Its lightweight body and strong suction make everyday cleaning easier and faster. Pros: strong suction on carpet and hard floors. Lift-away feature is super convenient. HEPA filter helps reduce allergens. Easy swivel steering. Great value for the price. Cons: corded design limits movement compared to cordless vacuums. Can feel slightly bulky for some users. Dust cup may need frequent emptying during deep cleaning. Number 4. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360. Introducing the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360, a powerful upright vacuum designed for deep cleaning carpets, hard floors, stairs, and upholstery. At around $187.99, this vacuum delivers premium cleaning performance with HEPA filtration, lift-away portability, and a large dust cup for fewer interruptions. The NV360 features Shark's popular lift-away technology, allowing you to detach the canister for portable cleaning on stairs and furniture. Its HEPA filter with anti-allergen complete seal technology helps trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum. The large dust cup capacity means longer cleaning sessions without constant emptying. With swivel steering, it easily moves around furniture and tight corners. It works effectively on both carpets and hard floors, while the included upholstery tool and crevice tool make cleaning sofas, edges, and narrow spaces simple and efficient. Pros: strong suction power for deep cleaning. Large dust cup reduces emptying frequency. Lift-away feature adds versatility. HEPA filtration helps with allergies. Smooth swivel steering for easy control. Cons: corded design limits mobility. Slightly heavier than some cordless models. Can be a bit noisy during operation. Number 3. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. Meet the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a powerful vacuum built to tackle pet hair, dirt, and everyday messes with ease. Priced at around $119.99, it offers excellent value, especially for pet owners looking for strong suction and specialized pet hair cleaning features. This vacuum comes with a triple-action brush roll designed to lift, loosen, and remove embedded pet hair from carpets and rugs. Its swivel steering makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The scatter-free technology helps capture dry debris on hard floors with less mess spreading around. It also features edge-to-edge cleaning, making it easier to clean along walls and corners. The large-capacity dirt tank holds more debris, so you can clean longer before emptying. With strong suction and multi-surface performance, it works well on both carpets and hard floors. Pros: excellent at picking up pet hair. Strong suction for carpets and hard floors. Easy to use swivel steering. Large dirt tank requires fewer trips to empty. Great value for pet-friendly homes. Cons: corded design limits range compared to cordless vacuums. Hose can feel a little short for overhead cleaning. Slightly louder during operation. Number 2. Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E. Introducing the Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E, a versatile upright vacuum built for powerful pet hair pickup, deep carpet cleaning, and hard floor performance. Priced at around $199.99, it offers premium cleaning features, strong suction, HEPA filtration, and pet-friendly tools that deliver great value for busy homes. This vacuum features Shark's lift-away detachable pod, allowing portable cleaning on stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. The included pet power brush is excellent for removing pet hair from upholstery, couches, and stairs. It uses a HEPA filter with anti-allergen complete seal technology, trapping 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. The brush roll shutoff lets you switch easily between deep carpet cleaning and gentle hard floor cleaning. Its swivel steering helps you move smoothly around furniture in corners. It also includes a dusting brush and crevice tool for detailed cleaning throughout the home. Pros: powerful suction on carpet and hard floors. Excellent for pet hair removal. Lift-away pod adds extra versatility. HEPA filtration helps trap allergens and dust. Includes useful pet and detail cleaning attachments. Cons: corded design may feel less convenient than cordless models. Slightly bulky for carrying upstairs for some users. Can be a little loud during operation. Number 1. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. Meet the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a powerful vacuum cleaner designed to handle pet hair, dirt, and everyday messes with ease. Priced at around $119.99, it's an excellent value for pet owners looking for strong suction, easy maneuverability, and reliable multi-surface cleaning. This vacuum features a triple-action brush roll that lifts, loosens, and removes embedded pet hair from carpets and rugs. Its swivel steering makes it easy to move around furniture in tight spaces without hassle. The scatter-free technology helps clean hard floors with less debris scattering around. It also offers edge-to-edge cleaning, making it easier to pick up dirt along walls and corners. The large-capacity dirt tank lets you clean longer before needing to empty it. With strong suction and multi-surface performance, it works great on carpets, rugs, and hard floors throughout the home. Pros: excellent pet hair pickup performance. Strong suction on carpet and hard floors. Smooth swivel steering for easy control. Large dirt tank with fewer emptying breaks. Great value for the price. Cons: corded design limits mobility compared to cordless models. Hose may feel a little short for above-floor cleaning. Slightly noisy while running. Overall, the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet 2252 is a great pick for pet owners who want powerful cleaning performance without spending too much. If you want to check the latest price or learn more about the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet 2252, check the link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides.